Here is a close look at the Poo-Pourri Before You Go toilet spray in the scent Original Citrus. And as you can see, this is the travel size. It's the 0.34 fluid ounces. That's the size. And then here's a close look at the back, some instructions, a little bit about it. Definitely a product that I would recommend. Now, really quick, I want to mention it was super easy to open this as well. I hate having to deal with like all those little bits of plastic when you try to open something, but literally you just have to twist the cap here and then that bit of plastic will pop right off and then you're free to use it. Literally so easy. Now I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate it really quick before giving you guys a closer size comparison. Let me put that cap down. All right, so all you have to do is take this toilet spray. So there is our spray part. Come down your toilet bowl and give it a few quick spritzes like so. Just like that. And now it's kind of developing a little bit of a film, and I definitely smell that citrusy scent. It smells really, really good. Definitely strong enough to block bathroom odors. And it's also very, very portable because of the size. I'm going to give you a quick size comparison right here. So here is a chapstick of mine, and then here is the toilet spray. So as you can see, it is just a little bit bigger, but it is kind of the size of chapstick, which makes it very portable, but it is also smaller. So you're not going to get quite as much out of this, of course, as you might with larger sizes. So just keep that in mind. If you're expecting like a much larger bottle, unfortunately, you're not going to get it, but it still has quite a bit in there. And if you need it for travel purposes, you'll certainly be able to get the most out of it. And one last thing, it's also not refillable, so just keep that in mind. But overall, I would definitely recommend it if you are looking for a nice travel size of the Poo-Pourri. It smells really good and it certainly gets the job done.